So welcome to this video. We're going to see how you can resolve an ad end-screen issue that is not highlighted on YouTube. So let's get on. If you notice this YouTube video where trying to upload, there's a challenge here on the aspect of that involve ad and end screen. If you notice, it is not highlighted and it has this prompt. Your video has an unsupported aspect ratio. So as a result, we are not being able to add an end screen, and so it's not highlighted. So we're going to fix it. But before we fix it, let's point out the particular peculiarities why this aspect ratio issue is like this. So we head over to, if you notice the video that we initially we're trying to upload, if you notice the details of the video, you can see the length, the frame width is 1600. But where the problem lies is the frame height, which is 782, falls below the aspect ratio of YouTube. So if you check this other video, which is already uploaded on video, you can see the frame height here it's 814 and the frame width is in order. So we're going to adjust the frame width. So we head over to come here and just click on preferred setting, and here the height you adjust it to 814 and then click apply. After adjusting the aspect ratio, upload the video again, delete the old one, this on the draft. So you can see the aspect ratio is now highlighted. So thank you for watching.